Dude Mungus 3000.
What do you want from me?
No monkey.
Yo, dude, do that shit. Y'all already know. We always need some petrol, bro. Always. And the reason I always need petrol is because my house is not close to Mexico at all. So I fill up before I leave Mexico. And by the time I get home, bro, it is always time to fill up. But then at that point, I've been missing the family so much. I'm like, bro, I'll just fill up on my next time going out. But I need to start filling up before I get to the house. That way I can just straight up keep rolling. Dadgummit. But anyway. It is Sunday morning, beautiful Sunday morning. Happy Sunday to you guys. And like you guys know, I do every Sunday morning. If you have any prayer requests, does not have to be motorcycle related, whatever. If you got any prayer requests, just shoot it my way. My church, pray for you guys. But let me jump off the bike real quick. Today is the last Sunday before I head to Texas and show them Texas boys how we do it down here, down south, baby. So I just got to make sure the bat is doing what the bat is supposed to do. So I figured the best way to test is actually to put it in the element. Just don't do like little stuff in the garage and be like, oh, okay, it's good. Like, no, like go out, bro, and make sure everything is good. And I know I've made a million of these videos, but I'm telling you, before meet, do this every time. Let me actually let you get a sound check of the bat. And yeah, it's already warmed up. That joint sounds so good. Right, let's get out of here so we can get to church, and then I will chime back in with y'all in just a second. Does anyone else reset their petrol light? I reset mine just in case, you know, whatever, because I know how many miles I can go. You know, you never know when you'll be caught in a situation in the situation room, and you need to know how far you can go before your situation is over. So I always reset mine just so I'm good on what I'm doing. Now I really never have an issue. Every time I've done a check, the bat has been okay, and I probably could just let it roll because I have B and OB at tailor-made making sure the bat is good. But I always just double check. There's nothing wrong with having an extra set of eyes on the bike. And the way B has tuned this bike, it literally works. Wherever I go, it works. Now, will it be the best tune for Texas? Maybe, maybe not. But will the bike work? Oh yeah, it's gonna work. I don't know how this man tuned it. This bike literally just freaking works. But I'm excited for what's to come, guys. I want to tell you guys so bad. But of course, YouTube life, I gotta wait and surprise you guys, because I can already tell you, we got some work to do. I'm gonna save some of what I need to say so I don't give it away, but we definitely got some work to do. But let me get through church, and then I'll chime back in with you guys later. Alright, dude, and do this. Let's make it happen. I've been out here for about an hour. I was kind of hoping somebody would show up, but no one showed up. And then I found out they're showing up later. I ain't got time to wait on you later because I got to get prepared to go out of town, and I got to spend some time with my family. Yeah, so guess I'll catch y'all on the next one. The bat is he's never not done what he was supposed to do. Every time he's had an issue, it's been like, I ain't gonna say like my fault, but it's been like, you know, like the last event, my tires started to go out. It's not the bat's fault. The bat can't do nothing about that. It is what it is. I love this GPS preview remote. Hopefully it's coming through on camera. All I gotta do is hit that button and it's recording, and I'm able to see what the 360 is recording. Now I have on gloves, so I can't do it, but I can literally scroll around and see everything that it's doing. Now it didn't turn on my draggy. The last few times I've been, you know, 201, 202, and that's normal. You know, that's normal for me running the bike out, you know. That's completely normal. So here we'll just test we'll just test a couple hits. I'm not worried about strapping the bike. We're just gonna test a couple hits. We go at this sign. This bike is super rowdy, but My goal was to learn how to keep it on the ground or burly up. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get to it. My boy. Good stuff. Yeah, the battle's pulling hard. The battle's pulling good. So I am extremely happy with that. The battle's doing what it's supposed to do. Let's pull over and try to see what the GPS said, and then we're getting out of here. I know this has me super nervous from the last time. Alright. We're good. Has me super... I'm super nervous. I'm just nervous. Oh yeah, the bat. Oh heck yeah, looking good, doing what the bat does. All right, let me get a video of this, and we go check the GPS at the same time. I feel like we're ready for Texas. We're gonna show them Texas boys how we do down south, baby. But anyway, I appreciate y'all rocking with me. You know who it is. It's your boy, Dude Mungus. Get in there, Mungus! Get in there, Mungus! Get in there, Mungus! Bet you better do what you daggum do, my boy. You better do what you daggum do, my boy. Yeah! This bike feels so good! It is ridiculous! The bike shouldn't feel this good, bro. Sheesh! The bike, it should not feel that good, bro. The bike that does everything should not feel that good. Holy crap, bro. Oh man, I love this bike. What TaylorMade has done with this bike is simply amazing. I have one bike that can literally do anything I need it to do. One bike that can do anything. Freaking awesome, bro. Let's go. TaylorMade, you guys have done something truly amazing with the bat. Literally a one-stop shop. I want to go road racing, pull the strap. I want to go ride mountains, release the strap. I want to go to the track, raise the bike to stock height. That's all, bro. This bike does everything.